Solid fuel is really taken off in the general restaurant industry, specifically in Portland, because people like the aspects of solid fuel.
I think it's one of those things where you come in and it gives this warm glow to the room, but it also a smell that gives you the warmth that nothing else like real fire can do.
Solid fuel cooking isn't much different than lighting a campfire or having an outdoor grill at a park. You use wood or charcoal to light these fires, and oftentimes you use lighter fluid to start these fires. But customers are doing the same thing indoors now, and it creates a really high risk for kitchen ventilation.
The Plaza del Toro space specifically is over 100-year-old building, original wood, very dry wood. So that is important from a hood point of view to be able to contain that fire and put it out if it does get out of control.
We address these challenges through sort of an overall design. It's not just having a fire protection system. It's really about preventing the fire from ever starting.
We try to think about it as a complete system. So we have a hood that has significant amount of overhang. We use end panels on the sides of the hoods. The more you make a hood like a chimney, the better it can function as far as containing that smoke, heat, and grease. We use CaptiveAire solo filters in order to catch those embers and the larger sparks that could come off of cooking equipment, so it doesn't get inside the ductwork and kind of sit and create a fire hazard. It gets caught at the filter, at the hood, so it can be cleaned.
When we get in there to clean it, you can see how much soot and stuff builds up, and knowing that it's actually got a cleaning cycle itself lets us rest at ease that we're not going to catch on fire.
Having factory installed risers where sensors can be located and wired in the factory is critical for proper fire protection.
Moving further up, we've got factory-built and listed grease ductwork. All of our grease ductwork is built and tested at our factory, so it ensures that there will be no leaks.
With solid fuel appliances, there's a lot of heat in the ductwork to manage. We see temperatures in excess of 200 degrees very often, and this heat is exposed right to the fan. So we have utility sets with steel wheels and direct drive motors specifically designed for solid fuel cooking appliances.
If these systems should for some reason fail to prevent a fire, then we have our core fire suppression system.
Core is an electronically activated fire suppression system that uses an unlimited supply of water to quickly suppress fires.
The fire system will flow until the fire condition is resolved, so until that temperature is brought down below the threshold point. As much water is needed to put that fire out, it has.
We're basically creating a reliable solution that will activate when it's needed to activate and gives the restaurant owner peace of mind that it's actually going to work when it's needed.
Being an owner of restaurants, one thing I like to do is have systems set in place that I can sleep well at night, and having the CaptiveAire hoods has always given me rest that I'm going to be okay. We actually had one fire happen at Toro Bravo, and we didn't have any loss of equipment or anyone getting hurt because the hood did its job, contained the fire. We were back and running right after the fire happened.